So everybody knows what bumped is, and I didn't know what bumped was until I started doing Merv Griffin shows in the early 80s. And I got caught in a run. And around 1983, I was living over in West Hollywood. Merv Griffin show shot over there in Hollywood in the studio. And I got bumped. And they said, well, come back tomorrow. And I got bumped again. Come back the next day. Now, when you get bumped, you get paid. Whatever it was, $700, union, whatever, scale, whatever it was. I went over. I got bumped. They had a bar backstage. I was drinking back then. They had a bar with a guy with a bow tie serving drinks, and I would go, give me a sidecar. And he goes, thank God someone's asked for a sidecar. Nobody ever asked for a sidecar. It's old school. And he would just make drinks, whatever. Give me a Manhattan. A Manhattan, fantastic, you know. So it was fantastic. I got bumped 3 days in a row. Then the fourth day, I got bumped again. I got bumped the fifth day. And the sixth day, I started thinking, this is my job. I drive from my apartment in West Hollywood over to a studio. They bump me. They pay me money. I have a couple of cocktails. I go home. So the next day I show up for the 8th bump in a row. I thought, why wait to start drinking? I know I'm going to get bumped. Have a couple of cocktails. Let's get this thing going. Well, you know what happens. I'm 2, 3 drinks in. The town coordinator comes over and goes, Rich, good news today. You're going on. I'm like, huh? Yeah, you're going on. Now I'm desperate. I'm going to the bartender. You got any blow? He's like 6 years old. Blow? I'm not blowing anybody. Literally, he had no idea what I was talking about. So I find a stagehand. You know, got some Coke? Yeah. So I'm like walking. I'm half drunk, and I know I got to tighten it up because I'm a mush mouth sober. But put a couple of drinks in me at South Jersey. So now I get a couple of bumps in me. I go out. It is one of those things. I'm so off. I cannot perform high. And I'm like, da-da-da-da-da. Even more than usual. And there's a rhythm. The audience is kind of like, If we'd understood, it might be funny, but we know something funny's happening here.